Okay, number 6. This here is another another unit analysis problem. This one is slightly harder in terms of unit analysis, but it's asking us how many cups are in 12 gallons here. And again, we are in the empirical system. And it is measuring volume. So we know these guys here, and we know that our we know our conversion factors, right? Well, when we have 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. We know that 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 pint equals 2 cups. So I want to figure out how many cups are in 12 gallons. So as you can see, we can't convert directly from gallons to cups. We got to go through a specific step, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use this concept again of unit analysis, right? Basically the same thing as what we were doing in the previous question. So what do we have first? Well, we're going to start here with 12 gallons, right? We're starting with 12 gallons, and we want to find out how many cups, right? So let's write this down. We're starting with 12 gallons. I'm going to multiply that by how many gallons and how many quarts in a gallon? I have 4 quarts in 1 gallon, or over 1 gallon. And then multiply that by how many pints are in a quart? Again, it says here 2 pints in 1 quart. And then I'm going to multiply that by how many cups are in a pint? Well, I have 2 cups in a pint, right? So 2 cups in 1 pint. And once I see this unit once I see this unit cup here exists, I can stop, right? I can stop my unit analysis because I want to, again, it's asking how many cups are in 12 gallons, right? So again, units here are going to cancel out. Gallons cancel out with gallons. Quarts cancel out with quarts. Pints cancel out with pints. So I'm left with cups here, and this is our unit of interest, right? So let's do the math here. It says 12 times 4 times 2 times 2. 12 times 4 times 2 times 2. It will give us 192 here. Again, if you're not given a calculator, what you could do is you could do 12 times 4 here is 48 times 2 times 2. 48 times 2 here is 96 times 2. And then 96 times 2 is 192 here. So it depends on if you have a calculator or not here. But this guy is going to give us 192 cups. And this here is our answer for this problem here. And let me look at the solution. As you can see here, it also says 192, which is great. And it says here 12 gallons times 4 quarts in 1 gallon times 2 pints in a quart and 2 cups in a pint would give us our answer as well. So this solution here is correct. Good analysis as well.